This aquarium has been up and running for well over a year.
I don't think you're supposed to be up there, Beansy.
Today, Beans learned that there were fish in there.
Have the best of days.